Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful friend. Now I am in the field, and as you can see, the land is all been plowing, and yeah, it started happening. The land is been plowing, and when the already rice seeds will grow, then it will plow into the, then it will harvest into the land. This all land is already been plowing. This land all is all been plowing already. Yes, and as you can see, the rice seeds, the rice plant, little rice plant that will few days back, as you can see, it's already still small. It's still not have the time. It's still not grow that much that it can be pluck and harvest, but within few days, maybe within next 1 week, it will do. But yes, here you can see the tractor is already been plowing the land. It's already started happening. Yes, the tractor been plowing the land, as you can see. It started been plowing. This is the first time plowing, and within few days break we'll do again. So this is happening. This is the first time, and as you can see, this land is been plowing, and within few days break it will happen again. So yes, and the process is very interesting. This land will be plowing, and then again it will be plowing, and then again the fertilizer will given, then it will be harvesting. So it will very intrinsic and intricate process, really. As you can see, the tractor is happening. So that's it. Nothing much. But when the harvesting will happen, then that time I will also show you. Yes. So you can see the soil being plugging up, and then it will be like more melted, and then the soil will be absolutely appropriate to the farming, to do the harvesting. Yes, so that's it. Slowly, step by step, this whole land will be plowing. In past this will happen by block, but right now it's all happening through the tractor. So slowly this whole land will be plowed, and yeah, the whole field, as you can see, the whole land, almost all land already plowing, and maybe within next 1 week the harvesting will already start. Yes, so that's it. And my dad and uncle stand there, my elder brother. So yeah, that's happening. And this is the rice seed that you can see. That two types of rice seeds is there. The two types of rice seeds. One is, I will show you. You can see the difference. This is another types of seed, and this is one types of seed. So this is different. can see. So you can see, wait, the both two is different. Both is different. Here this is one types of rice plant, this is another types of rice plant. It's almost full grown, so that it can be plugged into the field maybe 1 week more. Yes, so that's it. Hopefully, definitely you love it. As I always say, always, no matter what, stay joyful, stay healthy, stay wonderful, and stay great inside. Thank you so very much. Hope you have a great life ahead, and always remember, if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then really it's a disaster. Make sure not we are a disaster. Thank you so very much for watching. Love you all.